Hello guys, welcome back to our course. So this is the Python course for beginners and this is the module number 1. So in this module we are going to cover introduction to Python. So let's get started guys. So first of all we are going to see what is Python. So Python is a general purpose interpreted programming language. So it is a programming language which is used for various purposes and we are going to see the purpose of Python. So what are the applications we are going to see in the further slides. Okay, so now it is easy to learn and use, making it popular choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike. So it is very easy to learn, and you can, if you are a beginner and you don't know any programming language, so Python is best choice because Python is easier than other programming languages. So now Python is used for a wide variety of tasks including web development, data science, machine learning, AI, and many more. So there are various applications where we can use Python for various purposes. So now why we should learn Python? So this is the question. So Python is versatile and powerful language that can be used for a wide variety of tasks. So as we have seen that Python is used for web development, data science, machine learning, AI, and Python is very popular language and it is increasing day by day. So now it is also relatively easy language to learn. So as we have seen that Python is easier for beginners as compared to other languages. So Python is popular language in the tech industry. So learning Python can improve your job prospects. So if you learn the Python, so your chances of getting job is very high because Python is in trending now. So first of all, if you are learning the Python, then you have to install and set up the Python. So first of all, you have to download Python from the website of that Python. So Python, there is a website, you can search that Python download and you will redirect it to website of Python. So Python is available for download for free from Python website. Once you have downloaded the Python, you need to install it on your computer. So first of all, download and then install it on your computer. The installation process is relatively straightforward, so it is very easy, but there are some things you need to aware of, such as setting your Python environment variables. So you have to set up your Python environment variables. It is very crucial part, so you have to do this correctly, because if you don't do this in correct manner, then you will not able to write your Python code. So you have to do this very carefully. So I will make the video on this, so I will show you practically how to install and set up the Python. Okay, so now what are the features of Python? So Python, first of all, it is a interpreted language, so there is no need of compilation like C, C++ and Java. We need to compile that and then we have to run that. But in the Python, we don't need to compile the code. We can directly run that code. So it is a dynamically type. So you don't have to declare variables like in C, C++, Java. If you have learned the C, C++, Java, then you can see that we have to declare variables like integer, float. We are going to see variables. What are the variables? If you don't know anything about programming, then we have to cover all these things in our further PPTs. So now it is a automatic memory management, so it can delete the garbage automatically. Then it have extensive libraries and packages. So Pythons have very too much libraries, so we can use that libraries and it can make our task easily. Therefore it is used for AI and machine learning. It is simple and readable syntax, so syntax is very easy and you can easily learn that syntax because it is very easy and you can read easily. So it is great for beginners but also powerful for experts. So if you are beginners, then it is very best language to learn, and if you are expert, then this is the best language for like machine learning, AI, and this is the very best language for experts. So now we are going to see Python syntax. So Python has relatively simple syntax as we have discussed earlier. Python code is indented to indicate block of code. So there is a indentation. What is indentation means? we have to give the space after using the some block. So every block have some space. So we are going to see this practically. So in further slides, first Python uses semicolons to separate statement, but they are optional. So we can, like in C, C++ and Java, there is a semicolon used to separate the statement, but it is optional in the Python. So we can use semicolon or we can directly omit that. So now this is the example of Python syntax. So this is the syntax, and we have printed hello world. So as if you are learn different languages like Java, then there is a 4 to 5 lines of code to print hello world. But in this Python, we are just using this simple single line, and this single line will print hello world. So this is the power of Python, because by using simple single line you can print hello world, and this is in English, so you can also understand that this is the print statement which will print hello world. So this is very simple statement to print hello world. Then this is the we have created variable, but we have not declared any data type here. So this is the good thing of Python. Then we have used there is print statement with string concatenation. So we are going to see all these things in further videos. Then this is the statement for taking the input from user, and this is the print a greeting with name with input by user. So we have printed name, and we have printed the name which is given by user. So this is the syntax of Python. So this is very easy. Now we are going to see Python comments. So how we can comment? So Python comments are used to explain or document your code. So if you are making a code and if you want to explain your code, then you can use comments. So comments are very useful here. Then there are two types of Python comments. First one is single line comment and other is multi-line comment. So single line comments start with hash. Like if you are learning the C, C++, Java, then there is a common thing is that there are double backslash. So double slash are used for comments, but in Python if you are doing the single line comment, then you can use hash. So this is used for single line comment, and for multi-line comment it is start with triple quotes. So not double quotes, we use triple quotes, and this will end with the triple quotes. So anything written in the triple quotes, it will known as multi-line comments. So this is the comments of Python. Now Python variables. So Python variables are used to store data. It is a structure like box where we put all the things in that box. So this is the known as variables in Python. So to declare a variable, you use assignment operators, which is known as equal to. So equal to operator is used for assignment operators. We are going to see Python variables in details in our further videos. Variable name can be any combination of letter, number and underscore, but they cannot start with number. So this is the rule, and after that we are going to see Python data types. So Python has a very variety of data types including integer, floats, string and booleans. So the data type of variables determine the type of data that can be stored in it. Then you can use the type function to check the data type of variable. So this is the our all these topics we are going to cover in detail in our further videos. Now we are going to conclude our this lecture. So as for conclusion, Python is a powerful and versatile programming languages, and it is very best for beginners. If you are beginner and you don't know any programming language, then Python is best platform for you. It is relatively easy to learn and use, making it a good choice for beginners and experienced programming. Like Python is used for wide variety of tasks including web development, data science, machine learning, AI, etc. So this is the conclusion of our this lecture. So now if you have any doubt, then you can ask in our Q&A section. I will try to answer all the questions which have asked by you. So take care, bye bye, and we will meet you in further videos. Thank you.